Hello viewer, we are using the designs, create the styles here. I will find a structure. So let's find another feature. Keep on editing, generate the designs here, explore the different features, make a new shape to use there. So there it is. We are using the designs here to explore the shapes around it. Thank you for watching our video.